everyone, again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of very beautiful rustic jute rope craft for this season, and this holiday season we brings you the very beautiful viewers, in this video we show you the very amazing and beautiful designs. So we are driving in the world of very beautiful rustic ornaments designs, very beautiful ideas. So hope you enjoy that all designs and ideas we brings, that rustic ideas, jute craft here the full length and simple, eco-friendly and full of charm. If you love the cozy look of wood, jute and natural textures, and if you care about the environment, then these handmade ornaments are going to be your new holiday favorite. Instead of buying plastic decoration, we will create ornaments that are not only beautiful but also sustainable, reusable and kinder to our planet. So why rustic? Rustic style is all about keeping things natural, raw and warm. Think of wood, burlap, twine, cinnamon sticks, pine cones and even recycled glass jars. They bring a natural charm that factory-made decorations simply can't match. And why eco-friendly? Because every year tons of plastic and glitter-based ornaments end up in landfills. By making our own ornaments from natural and recycled materials, we reduce waste, save money and bring creativity back into X-Mix tradition. Burlap or jute fabric, wooden slices or sticks, twine or wrap, recycled glass jars or bottles, hot glue gun, natural accent like pine cones, cinnamon sticks or dried orange slices, a little imagination. Our first rustic ornament is the burlap star. Cut out star shapes from cardboard, cover them with burlap fabric, add a small jute bow in the middle. These stars look vintage and cozy, perfect for a farmhouse style X-Mix tree. Now wood slice ornaments. Next we will make you wooden slice ornaments. Take thin slices of wood, paint simple X-Mix icons on them like a tree, snowflakes or just joy. Drill a simple hole, loop a piece of twine and hang them. They are simple, timeless and small like natural self. For this one, recycle old plastic glass baubles, wrap them with jute rope or twine, add tiny pine cones or cinnamon sticks on top, finish with a little rustic bow. Now you have turned something cheap and plastic into gorgeous eco-friendly ornaments. Mason jar candle holder. Not everything has to go on the tree. Let's use recycled jars, wrap the jars with burlap and twine, add some dried fruit slice or leaves, place a small candle inside. It creates a warm rustic glow that makes your home feel magical. Here's a craft that also smells amazing. Dry some orange slices, string them together with cinnamon sticks and twine. Hang it across tree, mantle or even your window. Not only does it look rustic, but it also fills your home with a natural X-Mix fragrance. Now here's the exciting part. If you love making these ornaments, you can also turn them into a small business, sell them at holiday craft fairs, list them on platforms like Etsy or local Facebook groups. Bundle them in sets, for example, a rustic stars, a wooden slice, a jute bauble. Handmade eco-friendly decor is in high demand because people want unique and sustainable options. And that's it, your complete guide to making jute craft rustic ornaments. By crafting these decoration, you are not only making your home cozy and festive, but you are also protecting the planet and keeping traditions alive. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with fellow crafters. Let's make this X-Mix not just merry but also meaningful. Happy crafting and see you in the next jute craft. So hope you enjoy these designs and ideas. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness and prosperity. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Leave your comment in the comment section. We will try to upload whatever you want to watch. We are trying to bring very best and unique design for our viewers and subscribers, and I wish your home fulfilled with happiness, endless beauty, endless happiness. Happy crafting May your life fulfilled with joy and beauty. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Have an amazing journey. Have an amazing this holiday. God bless you all. Allah Hafiz. Hello everyone, again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of very beautiful rustic jute craft for this season, and this holiday season we bring you the very beautiful jute craft and very beautiful ideas to do. Everybody loves to do that. Everybody wants to do that. So viewers, these crafting ideas. So viewers, in this video we show you very amazing and beautiful designs. So viewers, thank you for watching this stage. So we are driving in the world of very beautiful rustic ornaments designs. Wishing you a very beautiful ideas. Happy crafting. Keep crafting. So hope you enjoy that all designs and ideas we bring that rustic ideas.